Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the new Samsung leak confirms the Galaxy S25 Ultra design details. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leaked dummy units hint at slimmer design, with rounded corners. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, from design to specs, here's everything we know so far. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The most radical Samsung Galaxy S25 series is expected to go official in early 2025 with three models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. While the launch is not likely to take place for a few more months, purported details related to the design of the top-of-the-line Galaxy S25 Ultra model have already been spotted online. Amid these speculations, dummy units of the handset have surfaced online, giving us an idea about the handset's dimensions. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is tipped to be thinner and taller than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. What the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra dummy hinted at a new refined design. Tipster named XLeak7 leaked images and videos of the aluminum dummy unit of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, in collaboration with Online Solitaire. The dummy unit is said to measure 162.82 by 77.65 by 8.25 mm. This indicates that the purported device is slightly taller, narrower, and thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The existing model measures 162.3 by 79.0 by 8.6 mm. The latest leak aligns with redesign claims made by Tipster Ice Universe. The dummy unit of the alleged Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts noticeably rounded corners and slim bezels. The display has a hole punch cutout for the front camera, and an earpiece speaker at the top of the screen. It appears to have 5 circular cutouts for the camera array on the rear panel, resembling the rear design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The dummy unit seems to have rounded corners, unlike the sharp corners of its predecessor. What are the expected phone specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be announced in January 2025. It is said to come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor from Qualcomm, which is expected to be unveiled this month, along with up to 16 GB of RAM. It is also expected to support the company's Galaxy AI features. As per past leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a quad rear camera unit, comprising a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel sensor with 5x optical zoom, and 50-megapixel ultra-wide angle and telephoto sensors. It could pack a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts charging support. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.